Good day, Miss. Today I am going to present about our group project. My name is Divya, daughter of Balu. Okay, the given topic for our project is countries across the world are looking for ways to go green for good reasons. For example, Japan has been very successful in sustaining recycling practices. Suggest ways on how we can implement this practice in Malaysia. For this topic, we have chosen concept. Okay, this is the problem statement for our project. The accumulation of plastics and cans has led to increasing amount of pollution in Malaysia. As we know, Malaysians become addicted to single-use or disposable plastic which cause severe environmental consequences. After that, plastics and cans are an incredibly useful material as you all know, but it is also made from toxic compounds which cause significant harm to the environment. As we all know, Malaysia has low recycling practice.
Okay, good day, Miss. Today I'm going to discuss with you my chapter, which is chapter 2.0. It is the recommended solution. So before I start, I would like to introduce myself. Okay, my name is T. Lewen. My mention ID is 267703. I'm from School of Computing and I'm specialized in information technology. So, we all know that in order to overcome the problem statement stated in 1.0, the idea that has the possibility to meet the solution of the problem is by establishing a brand new recycle vending machine that can accommodate adequate equipment for recycling service for all students. It could be convenient enough for the students as they have a platform to recycle the used cans and materials no matter what time it is. According to our observation, students tend to purchase a lot of canned drinks or taking away their food by using plastics and polystyrene and just throw it into the rubbish bin after they have completed their meal. And the recycle bin that provided in the campus area are not much, especially in the student residential hall. We have faced from Solid Waste Management and Public Cleansing Corporation, SW Corp Malaysia, states that low awareness on recycling and the awareness in reducing household waste through recycling are still low among Malaysians. So these are the recommended solutions that we recommend. First of all, the recycling machine should be located in a convenient place for the students, such as in the cafe building, since it is very near to their residential area or in the residential building itself. Hence, they do not have to travel far from their place and in the dark during midnight. This helps and encourages them to reach the machine anytime and anywhere. I bet that nobody would purposely themselves in such condition only for recycle the unused item. The location of the machine is also important to be considered as it would affect the students' convenience either during the day or during the night. Next, it is better that the vending machine is built for self-service. The student will be doing the recycling by themselves as it will ease them to do the waiting and receive the rewards. In this way, the students can reduce the time consuming for doing the recycling if they do it perfectly. Plus, this is also a bonus for other students who are queuing to commit the same service as they do not have to queue for a long time. However, when we decided to establishing the new vending machine, we find that establishing a brand new machine requires a huge capital, including the installment of new machine. We are thinking to request funds from the students' welfare of our university or collecting or raising funds from the student activities. The funds for opening the recycling machine also can be requested from the outsiders or companies that offers financial support for student welfare. And that's the end for chapter 2. We will be discussing again during chapter 4. Thank you very much.
Okay, this is the description of our concept. As you can see here, this is a vending machine for the recycling process. Let's recycle and earn rewards. The UUM communities can recycle and earn some interesting rewards from this vending machine. Here, this is the input and output screen, and this one is container insertion chat. On and off button. This button is to start the process, followed by the receipt dispenser. As you can see here, this machine will only accept cans and plastic bottles only. Apart from that, they cannot insert. For example, for newspaper or so on, they cannot insert. They should only insert cans and plastic bottles only. Okay, this is the reward dispenser. Okay. Firstly, the input and output screen. Okay, as we all know, this is the main features of the vending machine. Okay, this one screen is for actually for users can access the machine by selecting the types of recycling materials that they wish to recycle more easily and flexibly through touch on screen only. The user can also know the actual weight and amount of their recycling materials and the steps of undergoing the recycling process through the output screen. Okay, secondly, the type of recycling materials. As I stated before, UUM communities can only insert plastic bottles and cans. Thirdly, container insertion chart. This one is for users have to insert their cans and plastic into the insertion chart for recycling process. Okay, after that, on and off button. This button allows users to activate the recycling machine when they wish to start to do their recycling process. Fifth is start button. This button allows the users to start their recycling process. Okay, for the receipt dispenser, when the user have completed the recycling process, the system of the recycling machine will auto-generate a receipt which state the details of the recycled items, quantities, and the weightage, and so on. Okay, seventh is reward dispenser. The usage of reward dispenser is actually for the users to receive an award after they have achieved the terms and conditions which stated earlier. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much, Miss.
Hi, it's me again. So I'm going to discuss with you. It is chapter 4.0, which is analysis of the concept. So we have divided our steps of using the vending machine into 6 steps. I'm going to discuss with you step by step. So first of all, the user need to press the on button in order to activate the status of the vending machine. So once it is activated, the button will automatically turn into green. Next, the user should press the start button before inserting the containers so that the vending machine can turn on into ready mode. Start button enables sensors of the machine to detect and accept the containers. Meanwhile, the input and output screen will automatically turn on. Next, the user can continue to insert the empty containers into the chute at the front of the vending machine. After that, the vending machine will detect the weightage of the containers and the screen will display option to select a reward according to the weightage of the container the user has inserted. After that, the user can select one of the options that they interested, the machine will check the availability of the reward. If the selected reward is available, the reward dispenser will automatically dispense the reward. However, if the selected reward is found out unavailable, the screen will display any other option to the user to select. Finally, the user can collect their reward from a reward dispenser. Once reward dispensed, the machine will print out a receipt with processing details followed by a thank you message, which is "Thank you for saving our mother nature." Last but not least, if the user press turn on button, the machine will stop immediately. However, if the user forget to turn off and machine turns idle for 5 minutes, then the machine will automatically turn off and the button will turn back into red. Okay, that's all from me, and this is end of 4.0. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Darshini Ganesan and my metric number 270062. Today I would like to present about the advantage of the concept. Machines have many advantages as compared to humans with which it perform work faster than human beings. Machines have a very high efficiency and they can perform certain tasks at faster rate than humans. So in our concept, the vending machine will help to recycle plastic and cans within a short duration of time. With a 24-hour recycle and earn reward machine, be able to implement a good recycling practice among university students and staffs. First of all, a 24-hour recycle and earn reward machine could be very convenient and comfortable for students and staff as they have a good platform to recycle the used can and plastic bottles whenever they want. Secondly, our recycle and earn reward machine will be placed at the corner of the cafe and at their residential buildings. So students do not need to travel few miles from their place, especially in the dark during midnight. And students can just recycle things by just going to the cafe which are located near their rooms. In addition, this 24-hour recycling machine is built for self-service. Students and staffs will do recycling by themselves. This will ease them to the waiting and receive the rewards such as candies, cookies, mini cereal packs, instant noodles and drinks with a sticker "Thanks for loving Mother Nature." The purpose of this message on the sticker is to remind the user on importance of recycling and it will might motivate them to recycle continuously. This machine will also save students and staffs time and energy for recycling which do not need to queue for long hours to commit the service. Thus, students will be able to do recycling at their free time too. Besides, this 24-hour recycling machine will also help them to get their favorite food items such as candies, cookies, and so on. This reward will be helpful for students and staffs when they are in shortage of food and drinks. Whenever they feel hungry, they can just insert cans or plastic bottles and get their favorite food items. In conclusion, this report is to suggest a brand new 24 hours recycle and earn reward machine in University Utara Malaysia. As mentioned before, this service is never established here. We create a concept about new system of self-service recycling that will help the students and staffs. It can make things easier for UM communities to actively do recycling anytime and anywhere. Recycling can keep the university clean and reduce pollution. Besides that, 24-hour recycle machine need to be placed at the right places. The location of the machine is also important to be considered as it will be affect the UEM communities, especially students' convenience either during the day or during the night. In short, we hope this concept will be accepted by the university for the sake of reducing environmental pollution by providing recycle practice among university university communities. So this is one of the best recommended concept for University Utara Malaysia, Sintok Kedah. Thank you.